Well, hello, this is MBK here. Got this new Technica, well, it's not Technica, but it's a TKR style sports exhaust. It sounds great. It's not the high pitch one, it's quite a deep sounding. But I'm going to give you a quick turn over and then turn it off really quickly, because the old one, the old exhaust, the pipe made its own seal. So as you can see, the whole bit is slightly down and the pipe went straight into the bottom of the engine and made its own seal. But this, I've got this £3 gasket, so now I just wait for the engine to cool down very quickly. Can't pause the video, but under here, whatever it is, there's like a hole and it's leaking from underneath. So if I just give you a quick start up, and it's really quick. Just listen to this. Hang on. So that was very quick, just before I install the gasket. So yeah, put that gasket on, and then I'll start it up again, and it'll be a lot quieter because most of the sound's coming from underneath instead of coming out of here. So you can't really hear what it actually sounds like, because it's just, you can't hear what the exhaust sounds like, because all you can hear is fucking it leaking. It's really quite loud. So in the next video I will have installed this gasket when it cools down, and once it's cooled down then install it, and I will attach these two videos together so you can hear it before and after. You've just heard it now. So yeah, part 2 will be up shortly. Hi there, MBK here, part 2 of the exhaust. Put the gasket in, so I know you can't see underneath, but if you wait there 1 second, I'll get you the torch. I don't know where to put my torch, but basically now if I start the bike, it's not blowing. Basically, it was blowing like hell before, really loud, but now it's quieted it down and it's perfectly sound. And if you ever want to, because it's got 3, where am I looking? It's got 3 bolts here. Just unscrew them, and I can get a new end cap. You see, so I can get a new end, one of them, if I ever want to change the sound of it. This is TKR. Can't find anything on the internet about these, but I got it from Motobike. He's the best guy ever, because I got a gasket from him, and you get all sorts of parts from him. Not for Chinese scooters, but for Yamahas and Kimcos and other bikes like that. Then yeah, so start it once more. Yep. So. Really nice exhaust, sounds better than what it did. There's the standard exhaust over there, really quiet, really heavy, and yeah, really good. I did like the sound of the original one. I will do a before and after video as well, because I'm going to use YouTube editor and edit all these together, but I've got videos of that running with the standard exhaust, so I'm going to put this in front, the standard exhaust first, and then these videos together. So yeah, absolutely loving that exhaust. So yeah, I'm going to go out and maybe later or early in the morning to get some fuel and give the bike a run and make sure it's not too loud. So yeah, thank you for watching and peace out.